So you're removing an old outlet or switch, and you notice the wires are too short. In fact, the electrical code says the wire should extend 3 inches in front of the box or 6 inches from the back of the box. Now, if you look at this, this is flush and way, way too short. It is extremely frustrating. You're trying to put on your outlet and switch, and you won't have near enough room to get in there and bend the wire around, make a little hook, screw that on. It will not work. Have you heard of these simple snap-on wire connectors? They're called Wago, W-A-G-O. They used to be difficult to find. I couldn't find them anywhere. Now they are more accessible and easier to find than ever. They are in all the home improvement big box stores, certainly on Amazon.com. The link is in the video description down below. I want to show you why these are so magical and so easy to use. If you look in here, not all the configurations are simple splice kits. They have these type. These connector splice kits that are facing opposite directions. You simply snap it over the wire. These will solve the answer to our problem. How do we extend these wires? This will make it so easy you won't believe it. Now, if your old wiring is bent, they have a hook on it. You do want to straighten that out. Splice connectors, these are going to extend them. You're going to put it over the existing wire and simply lock it down. Let's go ahead and do that on all three while we're here. All the way down to it bottoms out, lock it down. That was the ground, the white is the neutral, and the black wire in your box is the hot. All the way into it bottoms out and lock it. You see that? Lock it on down. Okay, now that we have our splice connector extenders in, we are ready for new wire. Now with our 3 wire extenders at 3 inches ready to go, yours may be longer, yours may be shorter depending on your unique situation. We're going to simply color match, black to black, white to white, and the ground to the ground. So we're going to drop it in the Wago connector, snap it in place, literally locks it in. It could not be easier. And then here's the ground, and the black is the hot. Of course, if you're doing this repair at your house, the power has already been off, so you're working safe and efficiently. Now with our wire extenders in place, we can see that it does exceed 3 inches in front of the box, so we are meeting code. Wago connectors are UL listed for safety. The black hot wire all the way in, tighten it down nice and firm. Now some people like to do it in a sequence that is ultra safe. So they like to start with the ground, which is this one, and then the neutral, which is the white one, and then lastly the hot. That would only be if you weren't sure that the power was off. If you were sure that the power's off and you have no doubt about it, it's no big deal. Just install the wiring sequence any way you want. About that, you could take electrical tape and wrap it around your connectors so they're super, super tight. And by wrapping those exposed terminals, there's no exposed metal, so nothing can short out. All right, you're going to put your cover plate back on. Next, you're going to test your work with any outlet tester of your choice.